My name is Irvin Flores. I'm the resident consultant engineer at Belize Water Services.
I'm the executive chairman. My name is Cornelio Acosta.
My name is Sanjay Keshwani. I'm Chief Operation Officer at Belize Water Services Limited.
Hello, my name is Sean Duncan. I'm the Chief Technology and Strategy Officer. My role is pretty much to support all the technology that we use at Belize Water Services, BWS. Belize Water Services is a national water utility, so that's our role, to provide potable water.
Belize Water Services is the leading water and sewage authority in Belize, responsible for supplying water to all the urban and peri-urban municipalities in the country of Belize. We serve roughly about 65,000 customers and counting in all of these municipalities.
We have 11 service areas, 13 plants, and we do from ground, surface, and desalination. I think that the primary challenge is aging infrastructure. Secondary to that would be definitely financing for expansion. The country has been on a rapid growth of residential areas, and with that, financing is required to catch up with the immediate growth.
A couple of challenges are now the increasing cost of everything, and the non-revenue water is another main item where we are losing a lot of water. About 25% of water that we produce, we are losing that every day.
The challenges range geographically. For instance, out in Belmopan, the capital of Belize, we have a lot of aging infrastructure that we have to deal with. Out here in San Pedro, and similarly like in Kikakor, we have the issue of high production costs because the type of treatment that we utilize is desalination through reverse osmosis, and that is very energy intensive now. And so we've kind of been forced to find innovative ways of how we can lower our OPEX in these locations. For instance, in metering, ensuring that we're able to capture additional flows, additional revenue, through these types of technologies.
We were visiting a CWWA conference in Trinidad, and before that even in Guyana, and we met the Kamstrup supplier at exhibitor.
It was a failed procurement process that we had where we were procuring meters for implementation in 3 municipalities in Belize. Kamstrup was one of the bidders for that process, and during the evaluation process where we got more familiarized with the type of meters that Kamstrup offers, and that is basically where that first contact got established. So it had to do with the service and the technology that they offered. Whilst we were familiar very much with the ultrasonic technology and familiar with several solutions that are out on the market, I think what really captured our attention was the other side of it, that they offer a meter with acoustic leak detection. It goes in line with what we're trying to do in reducing NRW and being innovative. And so it was the best of both worlds for us, all into one product, and that is what got our attention and led us to doing a pilot project with Kamstrup.
We have installed a few hundred meters in the pilot program. We are a few months in, actually did some billing, and the data has been really good. We have noticed improvement in the network. There's actually improvement in the billing. That's where we are right now.
And now we're working on additional data that we need to look at water losses and additional revenue growth that we may have.
And so far the results are very promising. The primary data are very promising. We are seeing up to 10 to 15% increase in consumption data.
The big takeaway, I think, has to do with revenue. Definitely looking forward to the additional data that will come out from it.
I think the human aspect of it has been the biggest takeaway. Learning how to engage the data, how to apply the data, seeing how eventually this is going to help customers, and then trying to see how we can translate that into better customer service. I think that to me is the biggest takeaway.
I think cost-benefit analysis is very important because the cost of the meters are higher than the regular meters, but the life also now is also 20 years. So proper cost-benefit analysis needs to be done.
Kamstrup has been able to offer, top-of-the-line training and service whenever we need it, and they're always available. So I think that's something that utilities should know.
They are reliable, dependable, and they're always there for you. Right? Whenever we have questions, they have been very attentive. They have reached out to us in instances where we thought we had everything covered. They said, hey, do you have this additional question? So I think, they have been very supportive of the entire process.
I think it's a very good product, and they should know about it, they should try it, and then see the results by themselves.